story from the Quran, stranger than fiction. In the age of the Roman Empire, an emperor decreed, "Worship only me." Defiance meant death.
Our Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth. We will worship none but Him.
They sought refuge in a cave, praying for Allah's mercy and protection. And then it happened. Allah put them to sleep. Not for a night, but for 309 years.
What time is it? It feels like we just arrived.
Who are you? These coins are centuries old.
This is the story of the people of the cave, a sign of faith's power and Allah's endless support.